Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add your battery percentage to your lock screen on your Android phone. So doing this is very easy and it's actually built into the Android settings on Android 9 and Android 10. So you have to have either of those versions of Android installed on your phone in order to do this. So let's go on and get started. The first thing we need to do is unlock our phone and open up the settings. To open up the settings, we can simply find settings in the list of available apps right there. Then in the settings, all we need to do is find battery and select that. Once battery opens, what you want to do is find battery percentage. Go ahead and select that so that it's toggled over. If it's on, you'll notice that the battery percentage is being shown on the notification bar in the top right of your Android phone. And then if you turn off your screen, you'll see it pop up at the bottom of your lock screen. So that's all you have to do. Make sure that battery percentage is toggled over. Once you've done that, you can simply just close the settings and you're done. So that's how you add the battery percentage to your Android lock screen in Android 9 or in Android 10. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.